Hey class, my name is Octavius Ken. I'm currently enrolled at Auburn Technical College in the Air Conditioning Technology program. In HVAC systems, saturation occurs when a refrigerant is in both liquid and vapor phases at the same time and place. This can happen in an evaporator, condenser, and the receiver of the system. I chose HVAC because I enjoy working with my hands on tasks that involve problem-solving skills. I also enjoy the fact satisfying customer improving their comfort levels by ensuring efficient heating and cooling system. After graduating college and working on a major heating and cooling system company to gain experience and knowledge, I would like to start my own company and provide comfortable indoor environment for my occupants. This includes maintaining the proper temperature levels throughout different seasons. The tools I need to complete my job are gauges, pliers, hammers, tape measure, extension cord, multimeter, thermometer, cutter, wrenches. The main components of a water system depends on the type of water system. A home well water system has several main components, including well casting, well cap, water pump, pressure switch, pressure tank, water filtration systems. The only experience I have in asphalt is the hands-on experience I've done working on labs and class troubleshooting heating and cooling units. There are 3 different types of air-cooled chillers, which is water-cooled chillers, air-cooled chillers, and evaporate coolers. There are many types of HVAC measuring units, which is temperatures, pressures, humidity, airflow rate, velocity, power consumption. Valves play a crucial role in controlling the flow of fluids within HVAC. Here are some of the common types of valves: ball valves, globe valves, butterfly valves, gate valves, and check valves. My inspiration to become a HVAC technician comes from my friends and family because I know sometimes times get hard and a lot of things can happen unexpectedly, and I always want to be the one to provide comfortable indoor for my friends and family no matter the season. I'm always one call away.